How to change the password on your MacBook? It is very simple. To go to settings, you can just go to the application on the dock. You can go to the Apple logo on the top left and click on system settings over here, or you can just press command plus space and then type in settings. To open settings, you can just double click on it, and here you are. Now that you are in settings, by default you'll come in general, but we want to go to the left side, which is called the sidebar, and then scroll down. Scroll till you see an option called users and groups. Click on users and groups and you can see all the users that are currently on your computer. I know, I have a lot of them. To change the password, however, you want to select a user, and in my case I'll be changing my own password. I just have to click on this I, and then you can see the username, and then opposite password you can see there is an option called change. Click on change and then type in your old password. This password can be alphanumeric, only numeric, which means only letters, only numbers, or it can be a mixture of both. I've typed in my old password. I'm going to type in my new password. And once I've typed in my new password, I also have to verify it. So I have to type in my new password once again. And after that, you can type in a password hint. I would definitely recommend that you put in the password hint. After I've put in my password hint, click on change password. It may take a few seconds. Now I have logged out and logged in with the new password without any issues. So that is how you change the password on your Mac. If this video has been helpful, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments.